Today I'm going to be showing how to hopefully resolve an error you might receive with Windows Firewall that specifically says that it cannot change some of your settings by the error code 0X80070424. So we're going to go through how to hopefully resolve that for you guys today. And we're going to start by heading over to the Start menu, and we're going to search up Services. Should be listed as a desktop app in Windows 10, but in earlier versions of Windows it might just say Services. So you want to left click on it. So depending on how you want to sort the list here, I'm just going to go in ascending order alphabetically. I'm going to scroll down until I get to Windows Firewall. Appears Windows Firewall is right here. So I'm going to right click on it, and then I'm going to left click on Properties. So underneath startup type, you want to make sure it's set to the automatic position. And then left click on Apply. If service status says stopped, left click on the start button right here. And then proceed to click on OK, right at the bottom left. And then hopefully you should be able to save any changes to your firewall settings that you were trying to modify earlier. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.